Catalonia and Barcelona are known for their creativity, their cultural richness, and especially for their architecture. It is a fundamental part of their culture and of their international reputation. Thanks to some exceptional schools of architecture, Catalan architects know how to bring together tradition and innovation, technical rigor and artistic expression. At the BCQ Arquitectura Barcelona studio, David Baena and Toni Casamor have been producing architecture, landscaping and urban design projects for 20 years at all levels and dimensions. Design quality, functionality and technical viability have always been the priorities for them.
I think that our office, BCQ Arquitectura Barcelona, is an office that is trying to put together creativity and sensitivity with realism, and this is a very, very important thing for us.
BCQ Studio won the 2013 MIPIM First Prize for the Best Industrial Building with its treatment plant design in Alt Maresme in Tordera. The panel of judges of the 2013 Catalonia Construction Award also gave a special mention to the project management of the administrative office building of the Social Security Department in the Raval district of Barcelona. Recently, the studio was nominated for the 2015 European Union Prize for Contemporary Architecture Award, or Mies van der Rohe Award, for its Sant Gervasi Joan Maragall Library project in Barcelona. It has also received the 2015 City of Barcelona Architecture and Urbanism Award for the same building.
We are an office of architecture working in Barcelona, and maybe the most important thing is that we are not very strict in the things and the subjects that we do, that we work, and we are not very strict in the scales. We like very much to work in different subjects, different kinds of building. We are interested in working for the city and making parts of the city, urban planning, public space, any kind of building design, interior design. We were making competitions about any kind of things. We were working maybe for making an airport, or for making a very small building, or for apartments, or for making urban planning, or we were working every kind of thing. You know? So that was fantastic, because without clients, we were already keeping our mind in very, very complicated issues. The library in Barcelona, the library Sant Gervasi, it's called the Joan Maragall Library. It's very special for us because it's a building that was built under a public space. It was very important for us not to build on the public space, but underneath a garden. So, and it's beautiful to think about a library under the trees, but letting the trees still grow on the top of the roof of the library. Other very important buildings for us are the water treatment plant, the office buildings in Ciutat Vella. We have also the building in Olot, far away from here in Georgia, in near Russia, which is a public building for the Ministry of Justice. I should say that the most important thing for us is our team. We work together with David Baena. David Baena is a fantastic architect that also knows a lot how to build. He knows everything about how to build a building. We have also lots of good architects like Maria Daltabú, Manuel Ibañez that are joining us for a long time, and we are making a very good team. This is the secret of making a good architecture, to have a fantastic team.
Baena Casamor always searches for the best solutions to construct sustainable landscapes and social environments, ranging from urban projects to landscape projects and the construction of buildings.